guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been quite a while since my last video. In today's video I'm going to unbox new DJI Mic Mini. So this is the DJI Mic Mini which I bought from Amazon. This cost me around 8,100. So let me show you guys what's inside the box. Let's go and see what's inside. So this one is one mic and one receiver. There are also some documentation. I think this one is a sticker. Okay, this is sticker, and then this other documentation. Okay, I'm going to read later. So now let's check out the main box here. Oh, plastic is quality is quite good, not bad. So this one comes with a pouch. Oh, feels really good. Now here's the deal. What's inside? Okay, this is the Type-C adapter. I don't know what does it call. So if you want to use in your mobile phone, you can use this. Let me open it for you guys. So this is the Type-C to connect with your phone. So since I'm using iPhone 13, so I may not be able to use this. And this is to reduce wind noise. What does it call? I don't know. This one, let me keep it aside. And next is there are some cable. This one is to use with your camera, and then here, oh, I can charge both the receiver and the mic at once. Oh, it's a good thing. So there are two connectors here, two Type-C connector, and then here is Type A. And next we have here, this is the mic, so tiny, and this is the receiver. So this is the receiver, okay, and then this is the mic. Oh, sorry, this is the dock to charge the mic. So actually this is a dock, and this is the mic. So tiny. So if you want to charge this device, you can just put it here. This one has got magnetic, so perfectly fit. It's quite good. And this is magnet, so strong. See? Okay, now so if you want to connect with your phone, you need to open this thing from here, then just put it inside. Now I can use it with my phone. Okay, so easy. Okay, now let me turn this thing on. Okay, so in order to connect with my phone, first let me just turn it on. Then I have to press this button until it blinks blue. Okay, now let me connect with my phone. So to turn on, you have to press this power button. So the light will blink. Since I don't have Type-C to connect with my phone, sorry, Lightning, I cannot use it as for now. But let me show you guys how does it sound through Bluetooth connectivity. Okay. Okay, so when you connect with your phone, this light will turn into blue, so it will not blink when you connect, once you connect with your phone. Since I don't use receiver, I cannot use directly with camera, so I need to use the third-party app, which is called Magic Camera app. So I need to go through that app and record the video. So this will sound something like this. Let me show you how does it sound. Hello, check. Hello. This is the mic test. How does it sound? I hope the sound is clear. I don't know how does it sound, so maybe I can give you reviews after few days in my moto vlog and all. You will see in the future. So I hope this sounds good, and I'll let you guys know that how to work with this mic. So thank you so much guys for watching this video up to the end, and I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully I will be giving you guys some information about DJI mic mini. And also you guys have seen in lots of videos maybe about the DJI mic mini in YouTube, so you guys can check it out by yourself also, and I'll also give my honest review about. So see you, peace.